Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of China Tech. It's been a while, but I'm super excited to be back today because today we are checking out the brand new Xiaomi Mi Band 4. Yes, this is the latest version of the Xiaomi Mi Band, the super popular and super budget-friendly fitness tracker from Xiaomi. You might remember we actually did a video on the Mi Band 3 a few months ago, and this is the successor. This is the latest version of the Mi Band. It comes with this brand new color screen, as well as a whole lot of new features built into the device. So I'm really excited to check this out. So let's just jump straight into it. So just super quickly looking around the box, you can see we do have a picture of the device up here with the brand new color screen on the front. We'll check that out in a second though once we open up the box. Just looking around, we have this cool little 4 graphic for the Mi Band 4. On the side you can just see we have a few specs, some information, and again a few more features of the device itself, but really I think that's just about it, so let's open it up. Alright, so just opening up the box itself, you can see this should be the Mi Band in here. So just pulling it out of the bag, you can see there we have it. So this is the brand new Mi Band 4. So just before we get the Mi Band 4 all set up and ready to go, let's just have a quick look around the watch. So you can see up front we have the brand new color screen in all its glory. You can see it's just telling us to pair it up to our phone, but just looking around we have obviously the band. Back here we have the heart rate sensor as well as what looks like the charging pins. So I'll just set this down, and in the box it looks like we also get the charger, so just this little dock that you'd plug the main part of the watch into, and then it just looks like we have a massive booklet of paperwork. So I'll just move all this off to the side and let's get the Mi Band set up. Back to the Mi Band for a second, just to give you my very first impressions even before we've got it set up. I really am excited for the color screen, and apparently it actually doesn't have a big impact on battery life. Xiaomi claims that it'll still keep the 20-day battery life on this Mi Band 4, and you know, the color screen is really pretty awesome. You know, the Apple Watch, some of the other latest smartwatches all have color screens, so it's awesome to see it on such a budget-friendly device. The band itself is very similar to other Mi Band bands, so you can see my Mi Band 3, just for a quick comparison, has a very similar style band to the Mi Band 4. I do also really like the flat style screen they've gone for, and it does feel a bit sort of glassy compared to on the Mi Band 3. It was sort of rounder and just felt a bit tackier. This one feels a lot more premium overall, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna grab my phone now and get this paired up, and let's see how it functions. Alright, and I've just got the Mi Band 4 all set up and ready to go. You can see right up front we have our brand new color screen, a much higher resolution as well, and brighter than the older Mi Band, so it really is a treat to have it on the brand new Mi Band. Apart from that though, I haven't really had a chance to play around with it. I think I'll save most of that stuff for my full review once I've had a chance to sort of really check out all the new features on this Mi Band. What I can say though is that it fits really well on the wrist. I think it looks pretty cool. I am noticing you can sort of see the outline of the screen a bit in sort of the right angle. You can see it coming up there, which wasn't so much of a problem on the older Mi Bands. So that is just one interesting thing, but overall I am super excited to check out this brand new Mi Band 4. As I said, I think it looks pretty cool. It feels really nice on the wrist, and it looks like it has a whole lot of brand new features that are pretty exciting. Really though, that pretty much wraps up my just quick unboxing and first impressions of this brand new Xiaomi Mi Band 4. If you do want some more information though, check out the links I'll leave in the video description, or I'll have a link to some more information and also places where you can pick up a Mi Band 4 for yourself if you are interested. With that said though, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed this video. Apart from that though, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.